Leica DISTO D2, how to use the intelligent endpiece. This video will show you how to measure using our DISTO D2 endpiece in different measuring situations. By default, distance is measured from the rear of the device to the laser dot. This is shown on the device symbol on the display. When you flip up the endpiece, creating a 90, the orientation of the endpiece is automatically detected and the 0 point is adjusted accordingly. You can hook it onto a corner so that you know you are getting an accurate measurement straight from the back of the unit. The last position for the multifunctional endpiece is fully extended. This is set by moving the endpiece in the direction of the arrows. In this orientation, distance is measured from the far end of the endpiece. This helps when you have to measure from a very narrow profile, notches, corners, or out of a window structure. You can also see the reference on the device symbol. This is ideal when you're trying to determine a diagonal. To do this, use min-max mode. Just hold down the on dist button for 2 seconds. Put the endpiece in the corner, wait for the beep twice, sweep the corner, and then press again to stop measuring. The largest measurement at the top is the measurement of your diagonal. The other way to adjust the measuring reference is to use the reference key. Press it once to take the next measurement from the front of the device. This can be useful if you have a very short distance to measure. Hold down the reference key for 2 seconds, and referencing from the front is set permanently. Press the reference key again to permanently switch back to the default measuring from the rear setting. See you in the next How to D2 video about functions.